Hey everybody, welcome back. Another video by Flying with Big Earn. Hey, we're back at the airport again. As you can see, we just parked. We're gonna do a turn today. We just got off a 4-day block of reserve of which we got used. So we flew for 4 days, relatively. We were used for 4 days, I should say. But there was an opportunity to pick up an extra trip, get paid a little bit extra for the month because of everything going on. Our trip guarantees, what we get paid every month as a guarantee, has gone down a little bit. So picked up this extra trip, try to make up a little bit of extra money, but it does also require me working 5 days in a row, which you know, for me, that's a lot. But anyways, I'm not going to complain. I'm very happy and grateful that we do have trips available that I picked up. But we're going to go do this turn. I'm also flying with a great captain. He actually was the quarterback at the Air Force Academy. So I think that's pretty cool. I like flying with other athletes. Pretty neat. But anyways, let's go do a turn. We're going to go to San Antonio. From there, we'll head to Houston and then on back to Phoenix. So that's going to be our 3-leg turn today. So come along, let's go.
I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last, get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Got my turn bag today, well, because it's a turn. Good Lord, it's hot out here. I remember when I was going to ASU, I basically said I was not coming back to Phoenix because it is so hot I couldn't wait to get out. But guess what, I'm back. Gotta love the heat. It is what it is, but for 8 months out of the year, it's actually, it is heaven. For 8 months out of the year, so got to give it that. But it's kind of nice to get out once in a while. California was awesome because it was like 70 something degrees. But anyways, enough bitching, let's get to work. Hey, what's up everybody? All right, we're in the cockpit right now. Hey, we're flying 737-800 today. Again, 175 seats, but we block off the middle row so we don't fill up the airplane. But the most important thing about this airplane, it is an ETOPS airplane. ETOPS means Extended Range Twin Engine Operation. So flying over the ocean, heading over to Hawaii is what this airplane usually does. But we're gonna take it to Houston and San Antonio today. But the most important thing about this airplane is that we actually have a printer, so I don't have to do a bunch of writing. So anyways, we're gonna get on down the road. First stop is San Antonio, and then we're gonna head to Houston and then back into Phoenix. Here's what the weather looks like. It doesn't look really good. As you can see, we've got a couple boxes there for convective activity, and there's a little bit of thunderstorm action around San Antonio. So we're gonna come up with a plan and execute. Make sure we get our passengers there safely and wash, rinse, repeat to Houston. So come along. All right, we made it into San Antonio. Here's some of the weather that we had to kind of dodge around. Wasn't too bad. We got a good captain. Flew a really nice jet, so passengers didn't even know the difference. But we are going to Houston. Look at that. 34 minutes. Big smile. Alright everybody, we are about to head back to Phoenix. Flying time today is going to be 2 hours and 15 minutes. On there, I'm going to head up to 40,000 feet today. You know, it's 2 hours 15 minutes, it is what it is. The weather, a little bit of weather in the Phoenix area. Getting out of here, not too bad though. We just have to deal with it en route. So got a little bit of time to kind of come up with a game plan, but it is what it is. Man, I really wish I could put the camera in. You guys could see us flying along and kind of what we do to avoid the weather and to get into an airport. But unfortunately, in the United States, we're not allowed to film in the cockpit while we're flying. So apologize for that. When we get the Green Hornet, the Cirrus we'll be doing a lot of flying and a lot of cockpit views from there. But till then, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So, all right, we'll talk to you guys here in a bit. We made it back to the truck, getting ready to head home. Pretty good night. As we were coming in, it looked like we were working on a plan to divert. There was a big storm over Phoenix, and they didn't know if we were going to get in time or after it. So they had to slow down, prepare for holding. We only had enough gas to hold just for maybe 5 minutes. And then we had to go to our divert, which was farther away because our first divert location got maxed out with airplanes diverting. So kind of a lesson learned, you know, as far as diversions go, carrying enough gas, not only just for our divert, for maybe a possible other divert. And that's kind of the things that you work out with dispatch and the crew. So anyways, always trying to learn off of every trip that you go on. I'll put that in my bag of tricks moving forward. But we did get in. Weather outside actually just blew on through. So there was some microbursts that they were reporting on the field. That was about 45 minutes prior to us coming in. So that all blew out, landed uneventfully. So now it's time to go home and have a few days off. So hey, thanks for joining. If you like what you saw, you know what to do. We'll talk to you guys later, and we'll have another video out next week. Take care. Hope you guys are staying safe. And ETOPS means extended range. God dang it. The ETOPS definition stands for extended.
See, stuff like this happens all the time.